Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. We love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington. Thought I'd look in the juniors section to see what they have that is new. And they have some super cute graphic t-shirts. This one's super cute with the lips. They have some with roses, Save the World, Antisocial, Savage, NASA. And all the shirts are $6.99 to $11.99. And they have the Rugrats there. Some super cute shirts at Burlington. And my Burlington has restocked since the last time I was here. I mean, I haven't been here in a while, but when I was here the last time, they were running out of clothes, they were running out of everything. But as you can see, they are now fully stocked again. And then over here in the home decor, they have some super cute accent pieces for your room or home. They have these space rugs here. And I didn't know they had stuff like this, like a sketchbook. And it would be a good gift for somebody on your Christmas list who likes to draw. I have this trunk that is super pretty. It could be like a hope chest. And then over here they have some Christmas signs and frames. So I like this one, and I love the frames that have the little clip. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.